Welcome to Village Creek State Park in Wynne, Arkansas.
Good morning from Village Creek State Park. It is a windy and balmy 37 degrees this morning. Yes, I have shorts on. Something that I told myself when we went full time I was going to keep shorts on as much as possible. As you guys just heard, our heat pump is making a noise. It's in the blower, I'm pretty sure. We're going to have to get up on the roof and check it out. But first, I need to finish my coffee.
Try to reach you, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are hard to find. You're running out of stamina, I see it in your eyes. Let me be your light, we can reignite like fireflies. Whenever you can't sleep at night, I'll be the one that would hold you tight. Whatever emptiness inside, I feel it up, make you feel alright. Cause I'm never giving up on you. Cause I'm never giving up on you. I know each time is worth the fight. I'll be around till you be alright.
We're in the Equestrian camping area at Village Creek State Park in Arkansas. It's really cool because they have stables and they have corrals and have hitching posts. So you're not allowed to bring your horses into your campsite, but they have hitching posts right outside most of the campsites so you can hitch them up there. The campsites here are all back in and they have water and electric only, so no sewer. They're really nice. They're paved, it's asphalt. They have a little picnic table and there's lots of shade here. So I bet in the summertime, it's absolutely beautiful. There's more stables down this way, and then there's water and places you can muck your horses out and clean their shoes and do whatever else you horse people do. But this is really nice. So that means that they probably have equestrian trails around here to be able to ride your horses. This is fantastic. They do have equestrian trails here. There's 2 here in the park. One is a little over 4 miles. The other one's over 15 miles. So if you have a horse, bring him here.
Try to reach you, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are hard to find. You're running out of stamina, I see it in your eyes. Let me be your light, we can reignite like fireflies.
We're on the Arboretum Trail, headed for a little hike today with Lily. She's hanging out over here on the end of the leash.
This is a 3/10 of a mile trail. Then we're going to come on back and we're going to do, there's a nature trail, which is about a half a mile trail. So just a little under a mile. It's a little brisk here today in Arkansas. It's in the upper 40s. So not the best day to go hiking, but today we're grateful the sun is out.
And we have a beautiful creek behind us.
Yes, we do.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country.
We actually have some river cane behind our campsite, and I did think it was bamboo. So now that I saw the sign, I realized that it's not bamboo, it's river cane. I was this many years old when I realized that sycamores were the ones that had the peeling bark. I never knew.
She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country.
Y'all, Lily is so excited to be out here today. I haven't seen her this excited for a hike in a really long time. I think the last time we had her out on a hike was in Arizona, and that's when she got bit by the ants. So that wasn't such a great day. That was a big step down. That wasn't such a great day for her. So she's super excited to be out today. Yeah, we got confused. We thought that the trail that led to the amphitheater was the trail we were looking for the nature trail, but it wasn't. That's actually across the street. Same parking lot. So now we're going to go do the Big Bend Nature Trail.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it.
This is definitely a cool little trail. Runs along a little creek bed over here. It's short, it's getting later in the day, so we needed to get out. Somebody's been working on video all day, and I was working on the heat pump this morning, so it was time to get out for a little while and get ourselves some exercise. Get Lily a little bit of exercise. We made it. They're wooden steps, but there was quite a few of them. Kind of covered with leaves, so you had to tread lightly.
There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
We're currently in the A loop here at Village Creek State Park. This loop is just like the equestrian loop, water and electric only.
Yep, 30 amp electric.
That's all you got. So if you are good with 30 amp, this is a perfect loop for you. There's like maybe 3 campers here right now. There are bathhouses, but they are closed for the winter. So just know if you come, you're not going to be able to use the bathhouses.
Yeah, we're here on Thanksgiving weekend, of course, so gives you a timeline on when the bathhouses are closed.
I would check with the park, and you can see when the bathhouses open for the spring and when they close in the wintertime.
Perfect.
Quick little correction. We did find a couple of 50 amp sites, and there is a dump station down here. There's one up at the top of the hill where we are at as well for the people that are in the equestrian loop, because they also don't have sewer. We are in loop B, and that does have full hookups.
Well, hold on to your garbanzo beans, kiddos. It's about that time again. Campfire, check. Cold beer, check. And cooking with the quades. Let's get this party started. Today we are doing a marinated Santa Maria tri-tip roast, which we picked up from Trader Joe's. We're actually going to have that on a salad this evening. Meat hook. Very technical piece of equipment here. Listen to that sizzle. That tells you we are ready to go. Sit back and wait a while. I'll be right back. All right, we're at about the 11-minute mark, so side one should be pretty done. We're going to bump this up, give ourselves another 10 minutes. So we're going to give this thing a flip out. And we are looking good. It's probably rare right now. By the time we get done on this side, we should be at medium to medium rare. With a piece of meat this thick, we typically go about 6 minutes. Then we'll give it a quarter turn. Go about another 6 minutes. While I'm cooking this up, my lovely wife Chrissy's in there whipping us up a couple of salads. So I want you guys to know, on the set that we have here, the lavish set that we have here on Cooking with the Quades, we spared no expenses when it comes to the tools that we need to make these videos for you. There's overhead lights above that you don't see. I have this handy dandy light right here. Wham! So we are at the 5-minute mark. So it's time to give this a quarter of a turn. And we're going to check it for doneness. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there. So we're probably at just shy of medium rare. It might not take the full 4 minutes to finish her up here, but we'll keep track of it and I'll let you know. I've switched my clothes from my chef outfit to my waiter outfit, so it's time for the big reveal. I got a quick story about this knife here. I found this knife on a renovation job I was doing years ago, and it was an old hickory, and the handle was busted, but it's an old, good, heavy-duty steel knife. So I had a buddy of mine, John Damon, custom make me a new handle, and this actually is one of my favorite knives for carving meat. So let's see how this thing turned out. We're going to give it a cut down the middle. See how close to medium rare. Ooh, look at that. Huh? That is absolutely perfect medium to medium rare. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to join us next time for another edition of Cooking with the Quades.
Got that feeling in your arms and knees, the kind of feeling where you simply freeze. Don't you worry, let me throw you up, 'cause I think I know where you always stuck. You give everything so easily, but there are things you don't let people see. Open up and hammer down the wall, and all the fighting, and just let it fall. My love is real, and it's not just for the season.
One of the things I like most about state parks is that your sites are really far apart from each other. This one, for example, coming up as a pull-through, it's super long, and you can see how close the next one is to it. There's a lot of space to be able to spread out. So Lily and I are out for a walk because I had to get out of the RV for a while. And there's this really cool, this is site, I think 46, here at Village Creek State Park. And it's got something really cool. It's got a step down that goes down to a little patio area, and the fire ring and the picnic table and all that's down there. So it's really cool. I've never seen anything like that. This is a back-end site. I'm not sure how long it is, but it's really cool.
Your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. When I reach you and you feel your heart, I'm gonna teach you how to leave the dark. Now you're starting to reveal the truth. Behind the gardeners was always you. My love is real and it's not just for the season. It's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart and come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. Yeah, I'll make you, there's a guarantee.
So we are in the eighth, let me try that again because I'm not looking at the green light. So we are here at Village, we're here at...
Well, that was a bus. Blower's dead. Let's get her charged up and we'll give it another shot later on today.